Hey, what's up, guys? It's got the Turtle Beach Air Force PX21 gaming headset today for the PS3. Yeah. It's an amplified stereo gaming headset. Also works with the Xbox 360, the PC, and Mac. So if you have those, you can use it with it too. It says on the back, it says like all the specs about it and stuff, like what you can do with it. Like it says it amplified sound lets you hear every detail in the game. Stereo expander widens the sound field for greater accuracy. Mic monitor lets you hear what you're saying. So like if I guess you can like hear yourself talk basically. And adjustable bass boost adds realism to the game sound, so it's got bass on it. It's pretty cool. Chat boost automatically increases chat voices as the game gets louder. I'm not really sure how that works. It says here PSN chat and PS3 game sound with independent volume for each. Also works with Xbox Live chat, and it works as a USB headset with the PC and Mac. And I'm gonna unbox it for you guys so you guys can see what's in it. Alright.
Don't rip the instructions.
I know.
They're not cool.
Shit. I'm struggling to open this.
Just rip it off.
I got it. Sorry. Quit it. Sorry, guys. It's my sister.
Sorry, guys, my sister.
I'll just restart it, okay?
No, it's alright.
That's right. It's okay. You guys, you don't have to. Those are freaking headphones.
They are.
Ow!
Why would you want headphones? That's stupid.
That's... Alright.
What?
You shh!
Here's all the cords that comes with it. Like, you plug it into the TV, I guess. The audio ports.
The USB cord, stupid.
No, it's not the USB. Yeah, let's put that here.
Stop.
Come on, guys, shush. Comes with, I guess, a little manual. So. Oh wait, yeah, this is, I guess,
How to set it up and stuff.
yeah. I think it's supposed to come with a sticker too, I'm not sure if it does.
Probably,
This
probably in
says,
here.
Says stop, there's no need to go back to the store, we can help. This is just the calling, the 800 number to call Turtle Beach, in case if like the headset breaks or something, you can take it back.
There's a USB cord.
Here's take this off. This is the little amplifier thing that you control.
Wait.
All the,
Is that where you do the sound?
yeah, you do all the game sound and stuff on it. And this is the headset. Man, this thing's pretty light. Let me try and put it on. Yeah, this is how it goes on. See, you can put it on like that, like a DJ if you know, you want to rest or something.
Look like you're in
It
an
feels
airplane.
light, actually.
Look like you're in an
It's
airplane.
weird.
It's, yeah, it's pretty light.
Can't you put it in the back?
Yeah. Oh yeah, if you wanna put it on the right side of your, like, switch it around. All you have to do is this. Put it like this, and then you switch these two cords, like you switch them around, I guess. So yeah, that was my unboxing of the PX21 Year Force, whatever. Yeah, so please comment, rate, and subscribe. Peace.